Bison Composite Cladding is a timber effect cladding board giving the on-trend appearance of individual timber batten or slats. Manufactured from wood fibres and recycled plastic, this material is the ultimate in low-maintenance cladding. It's resistant to scratching, UV fading, staining, mould and insect attack. It doesn't require painting or staining and can be easily cleaned with a jet wash or hose. Available in two colours, ash grey and oak. This cladding system is simple and easy to install, comprising planks of 2.7 metre length, 3 trim types and colour-matched fixing screws. The cladding can be installed vertically or horizontally and must be fixed to either timber, composite or metal joists that are a minimum of 25 mm deep and 38 mm wide. The spacing between the joists must be no more than 500 mm apart. When joining two boards, it's important to install another joist to allow for expansion. The back of the boards are ribbed to allow airflow behind, preventing moisture buildup on the joists. Check out our other videos for more information on Bison Cladding.